Why are you late? That's what we're talking about today. Hi, this is Frank Buck, and this is the place to be if you want to get organized and make it look easy. Buford's story. A frustrated Buford explained to the student sitting beside him why he was late to school. Again. Well, I woke up late, and so I couldn't find any clean socks. So I had to borrow a pair from my brother, and I had to get lunch money, but Mom didn't have any. So I had to call Dad, who was left for work, and Dad had to turn around and come back home to give me lunch money. And I couldn't find my homework. And by the time I found my homework and found where I put all my books and then everything and put it all in my book bag, well, I missed the bus. It's pretty much the same story he gave the teacher yesterday when she asked, Buford, why are you late? Again. Penelope's story. Penelope was sitting nearby and heard Buford as he talked about his troubles. She just shook her head. Penelope knew how easy it was to make the mornings go smoothly. She had learned the magic of getting everything ready the night before. Before going to bed, Penelope finished all of her homework. She had a couple of papers for her parents to sign, so Penelope got her parents to sign those just after dinner. She put them in a designated spot in her 3-ring binder. She put her completed homework in the binder as well. Before bed, she put her binder and her laptop in the book bag. She knew she needed lunch money, so she asked for her parents for it, and she put it in her coin purse. Penelope also decided what she was going to wear the following morning and placed the items together. The next morning, getting ready for school was easy. Getting to the bus stop on time was a breeze. The day was off to a good start, as usual. So, friends, what's your story? Whether the setting is an elementary school, the corporate office, or somewhere in between, you and I know the ones who we can count on to be late consistently. Ask, why are you late? And there's always a story, always an excuse, and it's always never their fault. They got stopped by a train, the train that comes along about the same time every day. Traffic was heavy, and it's heavy every day at that time. They couldn't find fill in the blank because they've never established places to put those kinds of things. How good do you feel when you're among the first to arrive at school when you're 8, or among the first to arrive at the meeting when you're 38? You feel relaxed, you feel more confident, you think clearer, you're ready for new opportunities. And luck just seems to have this way of finding you. How good you can feel when people are not looking at you and asking, why are you late? It's been said that luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. Is there a Buford in your life who needs to be hearing this message? Why not share it with him or her? And if you like today's content, be sure to get on the email list so that you never miss a thing. Come over to frankbuck.org and click the link on the homepage. Thanks for stopping by today. This has been Frank Buck, helping you get organized and make it look easy.